Passive income sounds easy, reality isn't. Passive income is sold as escape. No boss, no schedule, no stress. But that version is marketing. Real passive income takes planning, patience, and emotional control. It doesn't remove effort, it removes pressure. And people who confuse those two usually lose money and freedom. Today, let's strip the fantasy away and talk about what actually works. What passive income really means. Living off passive income doesn't mean never working again. It means your assets can cover your life. That happens in two ways. Cash flow like rent or dividends. Selling small pieces of investments over time. Strong plans don't argue about this. They combine both. Why the 4% rule is misunderstood. The 4% rule is a guideline, not a guarantee. It's based on history, not promises. In many cases today, safer withdrawal rates sit closer to 3 to 3.5%. That small shift can add years of saving and thousands more required. Passive income isn't magic. It's math. Inflation is the real threat. Market drops are loud. Inflation is quiet and far more dangerous. If your income doesn't grow, your lifestyle shrinks. That's why growth assets matter, even when they feel uncomfortable. Safety without growth is just slow decline. Flexibility beats perfect returns. No plan survives reality unchanged. People who can spend less in bad years last longer than those chasing maximum returns. Adaptability matters more than optimization. Flexibility is financial strength. Why cash flow isn't always safe. Monthly income feels secure until expenses appear. Taxes, maintenance, vacancies, stress. If it needs your attention, it isn't passive, it's managed work. Income without time freedom misses the point. Why hybrid strategies win. Growth protects against inflation. Cash flow protects your emotions. When basics are covered, market drops stop controlling your decisions. Cash flow doesn't need to fund everything, just stability. Spending changes everything. Returns get attention. Spending decides freedom. Every $1 you spend yearly needs about $25 invested forever. Small expenses quietly demand massive wealth. Lower spending buys freedom faster than higher returns. Timing can break good plans. Bad market years early on hurt more than bad years later. Selling during downturns permanently damages portfolios. This is why averages lie and patience matters. The truth nobody talks about. Money doesn't replace purpose. People who succeed financially don't stop working. They stop being forced to work. Passive income buys choice, not emptiness. Final thought. Passive income isn't one asset. It's a system built on growth, restraint, buffers, and flexibility. The safest people aren't the richest. They're the most adaptable. If this made you rethink money, subscribe. No hype, just reality.